Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make noodle broth easy. First, select a high-quality liquid base. Chicken, vegetable, or mushroom broth are excellent choices. Next, infuse your broth with essential aromatics like fresh ginger, minced garlic, and sliced scallions. These ingredients lay a delicious foundation. Finally, elevate the flavor profile by adding umami-rich components such as a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of miso paste, or a handful of dried shiitake mushrooms. This simple start ensures a flavorful broth. Once your base and aromatics are ready, combine everything in a large pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, avoiding a rolling boil. Let it simmer for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. During this time, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This simple action helps achieve a clearer, more appealing broth, enhancing your noodle dish. Now for the fun part, customization. Taste your simmering broth and adjust the seasoning as needed. A pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, or a few drops of toasted sesame oil can make a big difference. For a burst of freshness, stir in chopped cilantro or basil right before serving. If you enjoy a little tang, a teaspoon of rice vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the entire profile. Experiment to find your perfect balance. Your delicious noodle broth is now ready. You can strain it for a perfectly smooth texture, or leave the aromatics in for an even richer flavor. Ladle the hot broth generously over your preferred cooked noodles, whether they are ramen, udon, or rice vermicelli. Complete your meal with toppings like thinly sliced cooked meat, a perfectly soft-boiled egg, or some fresh vegetables. A sprinkle of chopped scallions and a drizzle of chili oil add the final, inviting touches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.